Every day, your employees are constantly targeted with phishing attempts on their mobile devices. As these attacks grow, how can your IT and security teams stay ahead? Omnissa Workspace One Mobile Threat Defense offers comprehensive protection for your organization's mobile fleet, ensuring your sensitive data stays secure. Mobile Threat Defense provides continuous real-time monitoring, identifying and neutralizing threats like malicious apps, phishing attempts, and risky behaviors before they can impact your organization. Let's see what happens if a user with Workspace One Mobile Threat Defense active on their mobile device clicks on a malicious link. An alert will appear in the admin console in real time. The end user will also receive an on-screen alert notifying them the device encountered phishing content. There's an app for almost everything. End users download them and possibly share sensitive data unnecessarily. Workspace One Mobile Threat Defense detects potential malware, malicious content, and other risks associated with applications, alerting users if any suspicious apps are found. And with Omnissa Workspace One UEM, if a device is compromised, IT teams can remotely intervene to quarantine the device based on your organization's rules and compliance policies in Omnissa Workspace One UEM. You can rest assured that your data is never at risk. Workspace One Mobile Threat Defense, comprehensive protection for your organization's mobile fleet, ensuring your sensitive data stays secure, all while your employees stay productive on the go.